Welcome back, Daydreamers, to a WIP Wednesday. It's Work in Progress Wednesday, and I'm going to be going through a few videos in my off time, just showing you some stuff I'm working on that just needs to get finished. And today, Omegamon from Digimon. WIP Wednesday!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
I like this kit a lot. It looks really, really neat. And I remember watching some of the Digimon whenever I was growing up, and it was a good time. Like, I enjoyed it. So it's a shame that I never really finished this kit. I built the head, and I remember having to putty it at once upon a time. I think it's still there. I don't think I ever cleaned it off. So let's see what we got. Okay. Here it is. As I mentioned before, this has been a work in progress for some time, so bear with me while I sort through all the pieces. You guys can tell these pieces are pretty large. They're fairly detailed, but they're large, so this isn't exactly a hard build. Right, there's the head. Cute little guy. And you can tell I've had some putty on here for quite some time. Maybe you can't tell. There we go. Yep. That putty right there. It's been on there quite some time. These are the stickers that come with this kit. I did use the eye stickers right there, and you saw that on the head. I will probably use this green piece right here, and really, I think the rest of that is pretty much trash. I'd like to be able to use these runes for the blade here, but I feel like I can do better painting by hand. Or just make it look better, because at the end of the day, it's still going to be a foil sticker, and it's not, I don't know, it's not going to look right. So, done with that. There's lots of good detail on that blade. So I think I'm going to be able to really do some cool work with that, and, you know, because they put the detail on there, it's just going to look better painted. And when things look better painted, don't be afraid to paint them, man. Alright. Let's try to finish up this kit. It's not exactly crap as far as I can tell, but let's try to make this kit better too. Okay, let's start off by cleaning up this piece, shall we? Now let's get on in here. There we go. Okay, got a little bit of a line still left right there. Again, it's nothing that I can feel with the fingernail. So it's really just a tint of the plastic on where it fused together. Maybe some dirt got in there, something like that. But that looks a lot better and smoother now. So not so bad. I do not like whenever they put these little fins. These little, I guess they're little safety nubs on there. I hate them. I really, really do. So we're getting rid of that. I love this product. Liquid Chrome. It's a pen. It is Molotov. If you guys can read that. Molotov. I am probably not pronouncing that correctly. I'm sure that because of its kind of Russian-y sounding name or what have you, it's probably Molotov or something like that. But yeah, this stuff is fantastic. And I'm going to show you how to use it. It's just a pen. It really is just a pen, okay? I want you guys to see what happens when I apply it to all of these areas here. You see how that completely chromes out? It's like a mirror finish. It's ridiculous. It's great. I will tell you though, this stuff, if you do not use something strong like a lacquer spray to clear coat over this stuff, the oils from your fingers even, that will cause this stuff to haze up. So just word of warning, it is tricky to deal with sometimes. Get this stuff out. There we go. And now that already looks way cooler than it would have looked otherwise. Alright, and I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to go ahead and paint a couple of details on this guy, and then I'm just going to call this kit done. You know, panel line, that kind of stuff, and then I'll show you guys how it turned out in a future episode. So if you like this video, or you think somebody else might like this video, please like and then share it with that person. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. That helps me out a great deal, and don't forget there is going to be a 200 subscriber giveaway, so that's always good. And if there's any kits that you want to see me build or customize in some way, please leave a comment. Let me know. Send me a direct message. It doesn't matter. Just let me know in some way, because I want to hear from you guys. So until next time, I'm Justin, your Ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.